that you knew is gone. Time has resumed its shape. All is as it was before. Many such journeys are possible. Let me be your gateway. A question. Since before your sun burned hot in space, and before your race was born, I have awaited a question. I am the guardian of forever. I am my own beginning, my own ending. My answer is simply as your level of understanding makes possible. Your science knowledge is obviously primitive. Behold, a gateway to your own past, if you wish. I was made to offer the past in this manner. I cannot change. He has passed into what was.
I'll just keep getting stronger. You know that, don't you?